Okay guys, there you have a look at that. It's in there and I only got 2 more to put in. So what I do, I put 4 in without having to move it. As you can tell, it's not going to be that difficult. There's not much room, but you can do it without moving this transmission and setting it down. You can do it. And you can see I've only got like possible 1.5 inches on the bottom and 1 inch at the top. And I noticed that when I was doing all this, and when I took that transmission out, that motor mount right there, or transmission tail mount out, it had disintegrated. And then jacking the motor up and down, hell, I got a lot of place, so I bought a whole motor mount kit with the transmission and all that. I got that. That's 60 bucks. That was cheap, because each one of those mounts right there at AutoZone, Advanced, and anywhere, you're looking at 52 bucks per mount. Alright, and I got all 3 for 60 off of eBay. Well, and I ordered the extra mounts for the Saturn. I got a whole new kit, so I got all 3 for the Saturn for 34. But this right here is awesome. I only got 2 bolts put in, and then I'll mark it where I start. I'll mark this right here so I know that, here I get my finger, this bolt right here, when I put it in, and I get that one in over there, I'll mark that one, and then I'll tighten it, and then I'll go around, all the way around, until I get back to this one. But leave a little slack. You can get them close, but leave it where you can do that number so that you can line them up, okay? And that's pretty much it. It's wonderful to have a jack like this. It's the Harbor Freight. I paid $112 or something like that, because I got it on a discount. They didn't think that it was going to, well, let's look at it right there. That's the 800 pounder. It doesn't leak down. It's perfect. I love it. It was originally $169. They had it marked down to $149 or $129, and then I got the 20% discount on it. So I only paid like $112 for the thing. That's cool. So here we go. We are actually moving in a direction. Peace.